Jones. I'm walking from the car now. I'm headed to my second job. Walking across the street. Little daily walk, you know. Just a little something, something. Check out the Scat Pack over there. Well, let's just say the 392. Yeah, it beats me. You ready to walk across the street? Ooh, that thing clean, yeah. Kinda like when I do this, it make it seem like I don't have a vehicle or something. Like, oh, this dude, he don't have a vehicle. Oh, I gotta stand. But you know how that is. Walking across the street over here at Lowe's. I'm a vendor for Lowe's. Give you all a sneak peek of what I do in the afternoon. Headed back to Slidell. Just got off work. Time to read these minds, baby. Yeah. Welcome back, YouTube. Back with it. This the next day. I finally got my part with me. Took long enough. Shout out to Warehouse Exotic Tech in California. They literally just shipped it. This is the first mod. Give you all a sneak peek. See if you know what it is. Ooh. Think you all know. This is the LED reverse light. You know I'm bagging up at nighttime. Got the LED lights on the front, so I gotta really match it all up. This is the first mod we'll be putting on. All right, let's get to it. So for installation video, I'm literally behind my car. I didn't know it was gonna be that easy. I'm on an incline, so I'm on the sidewalk. I literally bent down and I could see what a bulb was. I'm like, okay, I don't have to reach that far. So I got it hanging now. I literally put my hand around it, and then I just, right here, I just twisted to the right, my right, and then I just twisted it and pulled it out, and it was literally that simple. So what all I have to do now is take this bulb out with the little clamps, get inside of my package, get the remove bulb, which is the LED bulb, and then twist it in, and then twist it. And that's the installation for you. Opening that new one. Shout out to Exotic Tech. Let's put this back down here. Now, literally, you just plug this in. Look like that's in there. All right. Literally, stick it in and twist it. Look for the hole. I'll go ahead and flip it around after I put it back in. Look inside right quick. You see it going inside. And I'm just gonna twist it. I don't know what other people might do, but I'm gonna keep my old bulb, put it inside of this. Keep it inside of the plastic that he gave me for now. Put it inside of my trunk.